Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English practice channel.
Today's topic is daily use English sentences at home.
We use many simple English sentences at home every day.
So listen carefully and repeat after us to improve your speaking skills.
Let's begin. Good morning, Ben. Wake up.
Good morning. What time is it?
It's 7 a.m. You're getting late.
Oh no. I will get up right now.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept peacefully.
That's good to hear.
What's for breakfast?
I made tea and sandwiches.
That sounds delicious.
Wash your hands before eating.
Okay, I will be back in a minute.
The house looks messy today.
Yes, we need to clean it.
Can you sweep the floor?
Sure, I will do it now.
Please dust the table too.
No problem.
I'll wash the dishes.
Let me help you.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
What are you cooking?
I'm making lunch.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please cut the vegetables.
Okay. Where is the knife?
It's in the drawer.
The food smells amazing.
Thank you. Lunch will be ready soon.
I'm feeling hungry already.
Please set the table. Let's watch TV for some time.
Good idea. Which channel should we watch?
Let's watch the news.
Okay. Increase the volume, please.
Is it too loud?
No, it's perfect.
I'm feeling tired now.
You should take some rest.
Yes, I will lie down for a while.
Are you done with your work?
Yes, I finished it.
Great. Let's have some tea.
I'll make it.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Don't worry, I already locked it.
Good night, Laura.
Good night, Ben. See you tomorrow. Ben, are you still in bed?
Just 5 more minutes, please.
You always say that. Hurry up.
Okay. I'm getting up.
Don't forget to make your bed.
I'll do it after brushing my teeth.
No, do it now. It won't take long.
All right, you're right.
Did you iron your clothes?
Not yet. I'll do it quickly.
Please don't leave it for the last minute.
The trash is full.
Then please take it out.
I'll take it out on my way.
Thank you. Can you water the plants today?
Sure. They look a bit dry.
Yes, they need care every day.
Do we need anything from the grocery store?
Yes, we're out of milk and bread.
I will buy them in the evening.
The tap is leaking again.
Really? I fixed it last week.
I think we should call a plumber.
Yes, that's a better idea. Why is the room so hot?
The fan isn't working properly.
Let me check it.
Thanks. I appreciate it. How was your day at home?
Quite productive. I finished most of my work.
That's great. I cleaned the kitchen and organized the cupboard.
Wow, you've been busy.
Let's order food tonight. I don't feel like cooking.
Good idea. What should we order?
Maybe some pizza.
Sounds perfect. Did you turn off the lights?
Yes, everything is switched off.
Did you set the alarm?
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem.
I'm exhausted today.
Get a good night's sleep.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Ben, we're running late.
I know. I can't find my keys.
Did you check the table near the door?
Oh yes, here they are. I must have left them there.
Please hurry up. Breakfast is getting cold.
I will grab something quickly. I don't have much time.
At least drink your tea.
All right, but just a sip.
Make sure you lock the door properly.
Don't worry, I will double check it. The laundry basket is overflowing.
I noticed. I will start the washing machine.
Separate the white clothes from the colored ones.
Yes, I remember. Can you fold the clothes once they're dry?
Sure, I will take care of it.
Thanks. We make a good team.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
Ben, you left your shoes in the middle of the room again.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Sorry about that.
Please keep them on the shoe rack.
You're right. I'll be more careful next time. And you forgot to switch off the kitchen light.
Oops, thanks for reminding me.
No worries. We all forget sometimes.
Finally, everything is done.
Ah yes, it's been a long day.
I love it when the house feels clean and organized.
Me too. It gives peace of mind.
Do you ever feel like staying home all day?
Sometimes. Yes. Home is the most comfortable place.
I agree. Nothing feels better than relaxing at home.
What's on your schedule tomorrow?
I need to wake up early and finish some work.
Do you need any help?
Maybe you can prepare breakfast.
Sure, I will handle it.
Let's try to keep the house organized from the start.
Good idea. Prevention is better than cleaning later.
Exactly. I'm finally done for the day. I'm completely drained.
You look tired. It must have been exhausting.
It really was. I've been on my feet all day.
Why don't you sit down and relax for a while?
That's exactly what I need.
I will make some tea for you.
That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
You deserve it.
Sometimes I feel like there's always something to do at home.
I know what you mean. The work never really ends.
Exactly. As soon as we finish one task, another one pops up.
That's true, but at least we're managing it together.
Yes, sharing responsibilities makes a big difference.
We should divide the tasks more clearly.
Good idea. That way, things won't feel overwhelming.
By the way, we need to plan our monthly expenses.
You're right. We've been spending a bit too much lately.
Let's make a simple budget and stick to it.
Agreed. It's better to save for the future.
Maybe we can cut down on ordering food.
Yes, home-cooked meals are healthier anyway.
And more affordable too.
Exactly. Do you ever feel stressed about managing everything?
Sometimes. Yes. But I try not to overthink.
Same here. I remind myself to stay positive.
That's the right attitude.
I'm glad we can talk openly like this.
Me too. Communication solves half the problems.
Absolutely. It makes our home feel peaceful.
And that's what truly matters.
Today was productive, even though it was tiring.
Yes, we handled everything well.
Let's try to start tomorrow with a fresh mindset.
Definitely. A positive morning sets the tone for the day.
Thanks for being supportive.
Always. We're in this together.
Good night, Ben.
Good night, Laura. Sleep well.
These were advanced and expressive daily English sentences used at home.
Notice phrases like, I'm completely drained. I know what you mean, and we're in this together.
Try using these natural expressions in your daily life.
The more you practice, the more fluent and confident you will become.
Before we end this video, we want to tell you something important.
Don't wait for the perfect time to start speaking English. The perfect time is now.
You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect accent.
You just need courage to speak. Even small sentences can create big confidence.
Maybe today you learned just 5 new sentences. That's enough.
Because step by step, day by day, you are improving.
Remember, fluency doesn't come in one day. It comes with daily practice.
Speak at home. Speak in front of the mirror. Speak with your friends.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
So believe in yourself.
Stay consistent.
Stay confident.
And never give up.
One day, you will look back and feel proud of your progress. Keep practicing English every single day. Your success starts today.